Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another eyeshadow tutorial. Today we're going to use my Tarte Wonderglam palette. This is from a few years ago. I don't know exactly how long ago, but this is what it looks like. This sequined cover here. So pretty. So yeah, we're going to use this today. And here is what we've got to work with. And I'm pretty excited. Now, I'm not going to do a really extreme going out to a party kind of look because I am going to Kroger. And I think people might look at me strange if I've got like full glamour makeup on. We're not going that route today. So we're going to do an easier holiday look that you can get away with at Kroger. But you know what? You do you. Part of me would just go ahead and do the glam and go to Kroger. But I'm going to tone it down a little today. I did like my last look I did using that Siren Sunset palette. The green one looked amazing. Okay, so let's get started. I will be zooming in. This is not a chatty get ready with me. This is a makeup tutorial. I'm going to start with this one right here. That's a matte. This one up here has a little bit of a satin look to it, which, I mean, I've been using a satin to set my base, but today I'm going to use the matte one, right? This right here. These are a little powdery compared to the Lunar Beauty, which was not powdery at all. These are kicking up a little powder, so. But there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. That's not a negative. Just an observation. Blow it off a little bit. Next, in my transition shade area, I think I'm going to go with this one right up here. That pretty taupey shade. And I'm just going to go at the crease and above. There we go. When I have nothing to say, I'll just play some Christmas music, okay? I am wearing pink. I thought about going with a gold look today, but I don't think it would go with a shirt. So I think I will go ahead and use the rosy tones in here. Play in this little section right here, maybe. Yeah. So I'm going to pick up my favorite brush. It's a Rephr number 12. My favorite brush. I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's also a matte. Get that on my brush. I'm going to do my outer V. Like I said, we're not going to go too crazy today. Now, I'm also going to work that into my crease. I think this time, let's stick on this outer portion. See if I can control myself a bit here. Always keep your fluffy brush that you lay down your base and your transition shade. Don't have to clean it out. I use that to blend. I use it to blend the colors together. There we go. I'm going to go on this side. I think that's nice. I am going to take a small detail brush and I'm going to go into this dark brown right here. I'm going to take that on my brush and I'm going to put it on the very edge here. The very edge. I feel like I need that to be darker in there. And I need to blend that. I'm going to go back to this brush and blend. And I apologize, my dog is snoring. He must be tired. RC, stop snoring, baby. I'm going to take that same dark brown and go under my lower lash line. Try to marry the edges together here real pretty good. I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend and get this kind of blended out a little bit. I think I'm going to take my crease brush, go into that brown just a little bit, and try to get it right on this just outer portion right here. Just want a little dark shadow in here. I think I'm going to take this shimmer right here, and I'm going to clean out my detail brush I used. The dark brown in the detail brush. I'm going to clean that out. And then I'm going to spray that with a little setting spray. Okay. I'm going to go into that shade. And then I'm going to place that on my lid. Got it on my finger. I'm not so sure. I like it better with the finger. I get better color payoff with my finger than I do wetting the brush. Yeah, I'm going to clean this out though. Get my wipe. Clean this little detail brush out because I might use it again. Now, yeah, I get the better payoff with these shimmers using my finger. Now, I think I'm going to go into this shimmery silver here, and I'm going to use my finger. And I'm going to place that right in the center. Yeah, there we go. That's me. There we go. That looks good. I'm going to take a detail brush. Take that same shade I just put in the center and do an inner corner highlight with it. I'm going to take a Super Shock highlighter that I have. This one is Butterfly Beach, and I'm trying to use it up. It was in a project pan. I use that just to highlight here under my brow bone area, under my eyebrows. So I'm just going to throw that up there. I'm going to go put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go, and I could not resist myself. I took some silver glitter and just popped it right in the center. I figure by the time I get to Kroger, this will probably be pretty much worn off, so I think I'll be okay. Otherwise, I will just spread glitter throughout Kroger grocery store. There we go. That's my look for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time.